this video, we're going to show you some of the ETFs which you can play for this week. Right? So it's a short-term swing trade, basically for ETFs. Right? So we did a scan on the downtrending, three downtrending, and three ETFs: XPI, LABU, and MJ. Okay. So first stock is XPI. You can see that all the time frames are basically negative, except monthly and weekly and monthly. So you can see the continuous downtrending CPR. Channel also is now turned into downtrending. Okay, you have a candle which is, so wait for the candle, first candle after first 1 hour. See if you can, if basically the candle does not have a upper wick. Should have a candle like that. Okay. So here it is downtrending, and the on-balance volume also is downtrending. So we have all the factors trending downwards. So this is a good stock to take a downtrending options trade. It could be a credit spread or debit spread. Okay, it's up to you. So we also, next stock is the biotech, right? Biotech index, down index. Okay. So here also you can see all the time frames, or most of the time frames are negative. You can see Keltner channel is also negative. You can see continuous downtrending CPR. Okay. Here also is downtrending, and the on-balance volume is also below 20. Okay. So here, if you see here, this momentum is negative. On-balance volume cross downwards. You see this candle going downwards. Okay. So watch for the first candle on the Monday morning, and then you can take the trade. So we are on a 1 hour time frame, weekly CPR, and Heikin ashi candles. Okay. Next stock is MJ. Okay, ETF Manager Trust. Okay. You can see here also same kind of setup. You can see downtrending CPR, negative all the way from except monthly. You can see downtrending, also on-balance volume also is downtrending. Okay. So it's a purely good negative trending stock, trending index. So you can basically take the trade downwards if the first candle opens below CPR with the candle without the upper wick. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. And if you want this scanner, CPR scanner for uptrending stock, downtrending stock, and also narrow CPR, please send us an email below. Thank you.